Welcome, developers, to the practical tutorial on unlocking the potential of WSO2. In this comprehensive guide, we will take you through the essential steps to harness the power of WSO2 and build robust integration solutions. Let's dive in and discover the possibilities. Step 1. Introduction to WSO2. Get acquainted with the WSO2 platform and understand its capabilities for seamless integration. Explore the key features that make WSO2 a powerful tool for developers. Step 2. Setting up your development environment. Learn how to set up your development environment for WSO2. Install the necessary tools and configure your workspace to start building innovative solutions. Step 3. Getting started with WSO2 Enterprise Integrator, EI. Delve into WSO2 EI, the heart of the WSO2 integration platform. Learn how to create integration projects, define message flows, and leverage the Visual Editor or XML configuration for efficient development. Step 4. Implementing integration patterns. Master a variety of integration patterns supported by WSO2 EI. Explore content-based routing, message transformation, and error handling techniques to tackle real-world integration challenges effectively. Step 5. Secure API development with WSO2 API Manager. Discover the power of WSO2 API Manager for secure API development. Learn how to design, publish, and secure APIs using industry-standard security measures like OAuth and JWT. Step 6. Data integration and transformation with WSO2. Unlock the potential of WSO2 for data integration and transformation. Explore the connectors and adapters available to connect to various data sources and learn how to perform data mapping and mediation. Step 7. Extending WSO2. Custom mediators and connectors. Take WSO2 to the next level by extending its capabilities. Learn how to develop custom mediators and connectors using scripting languages like JavaScript and Groovy to meet specific integration requirements. Step 8. Performance tuning and optimization. Optimize the performance of your WSO2 integration solutions. Discover techniques to fine-tune your deployments, handle high loads, and ensure scalability for efficient and reliable integrations. Step 9. Monitoring and troubleshooting. Gain insights into monitoring and troubleshooting your WSO2 integrations. Learn how to leverage monitoring tools, analyze logs, and handle errors to ensure smooth operation and quick issue resolution. Step 10. Best practices and advanced tips. Explore best practices and advanced tips to enhance your WSO2 development skills. Discover industry-proven techniques, design patterns, and strategies to build robust and maintainable integration solutions. Throughout this tutorial, we will provide practical examples, code snippets, and hands-on exercises to reinforce your understanding of WSO2. By the end, you will have the knowledge and skills to unlock the full potential of WSO2 and develop powerful integration solutions. Let's embark on this journey together and unlock the true potential of WSO2.